stoplight. Here's Dad, riding. He's the driver. He's weird.
Here we go.
There's a car. There's a car. It looks like his own car. Okay, here we go. Wee, wee. We are in Hartselle City.
I think that's Mom down there in front of us. Oh, there she is.
That was Mommy. Daddy's gray hair. Okay, we're at another stoplight. I can't wait for it to turn green. See, it's red.
Look at that junky car. What a pile of junk.
It's
What a
red.
piece of garbage.
Okay.
What a piece of junk.
What?
That car.
Here we go.
Mom's behind us. Please don't drop it.
Mommy is behind us! Woo! We're going to Decatur to look at a new house that we are going to buy. You hear me?
I hear you.
He's still got gray hair.
I hope that cop's not coming after me.
Okay.
You may have to record us